Welcome to SAFA Purple Industries, where chemistry meets cleanliness. From Pokhara, we bring you an inside look at how everyday products like detergent, toilet cleaner, and soap are made, right here in our small scale manufacturing unit. Liquid detergent production. We start with the most popular product, liquid detergent. The main ingredients are SLES, a powerful yet gentle cleaning agent, soda ash for balancing pH and enhancing cleanliness, fragrance and color to make it pleasant to use. These ingredients are added to clean water in a mixing tank and stirred thoroughly. Once mixed, the detergent is checked for pH, thickness, and foam stability. Second one is filling and packing. After the quality is verified, it's time to fill the bottles. We use manual or semi-automatic machines to bottle and seal each other's unit. Toilet cleaner production. Toilet cleaner requires careful chemistry. We use hydrochloric acid mixed with water under safety guidelines. To make it thicker and more effective, we use lauryl amine oxide, a special acid thickener. A small amount of color and acid stable fragrance is added, giving it a fresh smell. For dishwash gel, our dishwash liquid is tough on grease but soft on hands. We mix SLES with CAPB, add glycerin to protect our skin and balance the viscosity. We are also developing solid soap and herbal all-purpose cleaner using eco-friendly formulas suitable for homes, hotels, and schools. All products are labeled, packed, and stored carefully, ready to serve homes, restaurants, hospitals, and institutions across Nepal. At SAFA Purple Industries, we don't just make products, we solve everyday's problem with chemistry, care, and local innovation. Contact us for chemicals around Pokhara Valley. That's number is 9765946435. Thank you for watching. See you in another video. Take care. Bye bye.